Find minus pi to pi sine to the power 75x plus x to the power 125 plus x to the power 125 dx. Minus pi to pi sine to the power 75x plus x to the power 125 dx equal to. Now, this is of the form minus a to a fx dx, minus a to a fx dx. So, what is fx? So, fx is equal to what? Sine to the power 75x plus x to the power 125. Okay. In this case, what we'll do, we'll write f of minus x. Sine to the power minus x 75 plus minus x to the power 125. Okay. This will be sine to the power 7x minus, because sine of minus theta is minus sine theta, and since power is odd, so it will remain as minus. Now this will be also minus x to the power 125. Now if I take minus common, it will be sine to the power 7x plus x to the power 125, which is nothing but equal to what? Which is nothing but equal to minus of fx. Now f of minus x equal to minus of fx. F of minus x equal to minus of fx. Therefore, f is what function? Odd function. And we know the formula. If a function is an odd function, then minus a to a, from property minus a to a, fx dx, minus a to a, fx dx will be equal to what? Will be equal to 0. So this is your question number what? Number 2. Question number 2, same type, again I am doing, say minus pi to pi, minus pi to pi, minus pi to pi, question number 2, minus pi to pi, x to the power 12 sine to the power 9x dx, x to the power 12 sine to the power 9x dx, sine to the power 9x dx, x to the power 12 sine to the power 9x dx. Okay. Now, same method. Let fx equal to x to the power 12 sine to the power 9x. You can write f of minus x to the power 12 sine minus x whole thing to the power 9. Now, this will be equal to x to the power 12. And since it is power is 9, sine of minus x is minus sine x. So minus sine to the power 9x. This I can write minus fx. Therefore, same method, f is odd. Therefore, f is what? F is an odd function. F is odd. So if f is odd, minus a to a. If f is odd, minus a to a. Fx dx will be equal to what? 0. So minus pi to pi, x to the power 12. Minus pi to pi, x to the power 12, sine to the power 9x, dx equal to what? Equal to 0. Okay. Next question. Number 3. Minus 1 to 1 e to the power mod x dx. Minus 1 to 1 e to the power mod x dx. Now, see, minus 1 to 1 e to the power mod x dx. Now, this will be, again same, let fx equal to e to the power mod x. So, f of minus x e to the power minus mod x. So, this will be equal to e to the power mod x, which is nothing but fx. So this time what we got? F of minus x equal to fx. Therefore f is what? Therefore f is, this time f will be what? F will be an even function. If f is an even function, then minus 1 to 1 fx dx, minus 1 to 1 fx dx, twice 0 to 1 fx dx. Twice 0 to 1 fx dx. Now, x is greater than 0. X is greater than 0. So what we know? If x is greater than 0, mod x equal to x. So mod x equal to x. So e to the power x dx. Okay. Now, What is the integration of e to the power x? E to the power x, 0 to 1. If you put 1, it will be e. If you put 0, it will be e to the power 0. So 2e minus, what is e to the power 0? 1. So 2e minus 1. Okay. So this is, now say another, this is another type of sum now. Next one will do minus 2 to 2, minus 2 to 2 mod of x plus 1 dx equal to 6. Next question. Minus 2 to 2 mod of x plus 1 dx equal to 6. Now this we cannot do using our previous method, that is even function and odd function. So how we can do this one? Now, why we cannot do? Because if you take f of x equal to mod of x plus 1, say if you take f of x equal to mod of x plus 1, f of x equal to mod of x plus 1. Now, if you take f of minus x, you will get what? Minus x plus 1. That means you cannot write this one. If you even take minus also common, it will be x minus 1, and you cannot write f of x minus x equal to what? Fx or minus of fx. You cannot write like this. Okay. So that's why we cannot do by our previous method, but this one how we can do. This is what? This is what? X plus 1. So you have minus 2 to 2. So in between minus 2 to 2, there is what? There is minus 1. Minus 1 is there. So you write up to the first side, left hand side, then minus 2 to 2, minus 2 to 2, mod of x plus 1 dx. Then you write minus 2 to minus 1, mod of x plus 1 dx, plus minus 1 to 2, x plus 1 dx. If it is plus 1, since it is plus 1, we have written minus 1. If it is minus 1, we will write plus 1 here. Okay. So we know minus 2 to 2, we can write minus 2 to minus 1, minus 1 to 2. We have a property a to b fx dx equal to a to c fx dx plus c to b fx dx, using that property. Okay. Now what we do? Mod of x plus 1. What we do? Here I am writing, see, mod of x plus 1. Mod of x plus 1 equal to x plus 1 if x is what? X plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. But it's x greater than minus 1. X greater than minus 1. X plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. It will be minus of x plus 1. It will be minus of x plus 1 if x less than minus 1. If x less than what? If x less than minus 1, that is x plus 1 less than 0. Okay. So here you see. Now this is what? Less than 1. This is actually what? Less than 1. So in case of less than 1, we can write minus 2 to minus 1. This is less than 1. In case of less than 1, what we can write? Minus x plus 1 dx plus. And when it is greater than 1, what we can write? Greater than not 1, greater than minus 1, what we can write? X plus 1. So this is greater than minus 1. So we can write x plus 1 dx. Minus 1 to 2. Okay, you got my point? If this is less than minus 1, so x plus 1 will be minus of x plus 1. More than 1, so it will be x plus 1. Now this I can write minus x plus 1 whole square divided by 2. From minus 2 to minus 1. And this also I can write x plus 1 whole square by 2. From what? Minus 1 to 2. Now put minus 1. If you put minus 1, it will be equal to 0. Then put minus 2. But when you put minus 2, there is minus outside. And you have to keep first this one positive and this one is negative. So negative, negative. It will automatically become what? Negative, negative automatically become. This one automatically become positive. So when you put minus 1, it will be equal to minus 1 plus 1. It will be equal to what? It will be equal to 0. Then you put minus 2, but already there is a minus there. So when you put the lower one, then that time what? Minus, minus, it will become what? Plus. When you put minus 2 here, minus 2 plus 1, 1. 1 square is 1, it will be 1 by 2. So this one will be 1 by 2. Next in this one, this is plus 2, this is plus 2. when you put 2 here, 2 plus 1 will be what? 3. 3 square is what? 9 by 2. When you put minus 1, it will become what? Minus 1 plus 1, it will become 0. So no need of writing. So only 2 plus 1, 3. 3 square is 9. So it will be what? 9 by 2. So 9 plus 1, 10 by 2. 9 plus 1, it will be what? 10 by 2. Not 8. It will be what? It will be 10 by 2. And 10 by 2 equal to what? It will be equal to what? It will be equal to 5. So that's why question is wrong. It will be not 6. It will be equal to what? It will be equal to 5. So that's why this will be equal to 5. So this is the way of doing these types of sums. Okay.